Here we have the 4 operations that can appear. What I do is to group it with this one, because for me they are the same operation, and with this one they are another type of grace. These ones above that we have always called are more, and these are the ones that always call us subtractions. I don't care if they are positive or negative. What matters to me is if I have to add them, I have to subtract them. For example, the first case, the one above, would be you give me 2 and then you give me 46. The work would be, you take away 2 and then you take away 4. In total you have taken away 6 from me. Notice that to do the mathematical operation what I have done has been in both cases adding 2 plus 4 equals 6 and below equals minus 2 minus 4. I have also done 2 plus 4 equals 6. Simply the one above is stays with more and the base stays with the less. From here we can get a boxing rule, but numbers of the same sign I always add them and I keep the sign that I had as soon as I see plus 2 plus 4 added 2 and 4 6 and eat the 2 with a plus, so I put plus minus 2 minus 4. The same thing I say I see that using the same sign that the 2 have a negative sign, therefore I add 2 plus 4 6 and left that negative sign in the ones below. What I do is more 2 minus 4 is like someone has given me 2 things and another person has taken from me 4. My total balance of all this would be that I have lost 2, I have 5. Who tell me more 2, that is, I add 2 and they tell me less 47 minus 4. I take away 4, I am left with 3 coins, that is, now I have 2 less coins than I had before. I had 5. The case below is, I am going to do the same. I have 5 coins and they tell me minus 225 coins. They take away 2 from me and then they came and told me plus 4. That is, they give me 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. In total I have 3 and 3 6. 7. I have 7. I have 2 more than I had before. I have more 2 is not a total balance. In this case the rule that I draw is that numbers with different signs were operated one. These points 4 minus 2 plus 4 have a different sign. The remainders I always put greater minus a minor. For example, this plus 2 minus 4 and an increase that I see has a different sign. Remainder 4 minus 22, and I wrote down the number 2 and then I say and stay with the sign of the greater. That is why in this operation here you see that I am left with the less because the 4, this 4 is greater than the 2, and in the operation below I have put a plus 2 because the 4 is greater than 2. So it rules social. They give me 37 arrived, otherwise different. There remains 7 minus 34, who is older between the 7